Codesignal, Arcade, Databases, New Subscribers. Hello everyone, my name is Joshua and I'll be solving new subscribers from Codesignal, so let's begin. So you have a newspaper subscription service and you want to merge a bunch of newspapers for anyone who uses it can subscribe to a large number of different newspapers for a full year or a half year. So you have that information stored at full year and half year tables, and you won't have they have the following structures you can see right here in this video. Feel free to freeze. Alright, and now you're given both of these tables. You want to compose the result that follows. The resulting table that has one column of subscribers, okay, that contains all the distinct names of anyone who subscribed to a newspaper with the word daily in its name. The table should be sorted in ascending order by the subscribers' first names. Let me think about this. So this is an example. We have ID, newspaper, and subscribers. We only want for both full year and half year tables, and we only want the tables with the daily in it. And the output should be as follows. These are people subscribed to any newspaper with the word daily. Oh, it should be sorted in ascending order by the subscribers' first names. Well, let's worry about that later. I think that shouldn't really matter. But if I were to solve this one, so I think we know the statement of how to create a statement for selecting a certain column of people from a table. That is subscribers. It's select subscriber from. Now the issue you can see here is that we want to select the subscriber from both tables, from full year and half year. So let's just say if I want to do full year, it will look like this, right? And if I want to do it from the other table, it will be select subscriber from half year. The question is, how do you do it for both? Well, what you can do is combine the tables with something called a union. The union combines the tables together with all the data, and since I think the rule for union is that when you combine certain tables, they should have the same and corresponding columns for each in order for them to be able to match together. So in this case, they both have the same number of columns and both in the same format. And since we both want the subscriber from both, I think it should work fine. Now, there's one issue with the union. I think that the union by default combines all the subscribers, even though, like, let's just say, let me look for a good example. Lavelle Foods in one table, Lavelle Foods in another table. It will show up as true Lavelle Foods. We only want, I think, I'll give you a hint, a distinct name. We don't need repeating names repeated in the table that we create. So to prevent it from repeating, we put the word distinct, and there you go. Now the next part is that we want to sort it by the subscribers' first names. To handle that, we do the order by subscriber. We want we only want the subscribers who subscribe to a newspaper with the word daily in its name. So we have to create a where filter for that. Newspaper is like, and we could use the regex for using the like syntax. It's going to be %daily, %that. Same thing applies for the half newspaper. Alright, now if I run tests, we'll see what happens. Awesome. Submit. Alright guys, I hope you like my content. Please like and subscribe. And if you do, we have some job openings at the Daily Planet, the Daily Bugle, and yeah, the most famous newspapers in New York City. If you like and subscribe, I'll be sure to give you a reference, and you guys can have a good job there, either as an engineer or some sort of database administrator. Trust me, it's great monies. Just kidding, guys. Have a good day.